Raising egg-laying chickens can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Choose the right breed. There are many breeds of chickens that are good egg layers, but some breeds are better suited to certain climates or living conditions. Research different breeds to find the one that will best suit your needs and the needs of your homestead. Provide adequate housing. Chickens need a safe, dry, and comfortable place to roost at night. Provide a co-op with nesting boxes that is large enough for your chickens to move around in comfortably. You may also want to consider providing a fenced outdoor area for your chickens to roam during the day. Feed a balanced diet. Chickens require a balanced diet to lay healthy eggs. Provide a high-quality chicken feed that contains the appropriate levels of protein, vitamins, and minerals. You may also want to supplement their diet with fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains. Provide clean water. Access to clean water is important for chickens to stay hydrated and to lay healthy eggs. Make sure to change their water frequently and provide it in a clean container. Monitor egg production. Keep track of how many eggs your chickens are laying and if there are any changes in production. If you notice a sudden decrease in egg production, it could be a sign of stress, disease, or other health issues. Prevent disease. Chickens are susceptible to a variety of diseases, so it is important to take preventative measures to keep them healthy. Keep their living area clean and free of feces, and provide them with adequate ventilation to prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria and mold. Practice biosecurity. To prevent the spread of disease, practice good biosecurity measures such as limiting access to your flock, washing your hands before and after handling your chickens, and disinfecting equipment and shoes before entering the co-op. By following these tips, you can ensure that your egg-laying chickens are healthy, happy, and productive.